Wait a minute. I know that face. I know where I've seen that face before. It's not your everyday face, but I know it. That's a boater's face. Step off that dock and your feet hit the deck. That's when it starts. You feel water. It washes away the accountant in you, the mechanic, the dog groomer. Whatever you are on land, you take that step and become part of something else. Oh, I know where I've seen that face. Welcome to the water. Take your first step into boating with our free DVD at discoverboating.com.
Every time you purchase a fishing license or register your boat, you're helping to preserve our nation's coastlines, lakes, rivers, and streams, protecting memories for generations to come. Learn how your participation in boating and fishing can help the environment at takemefishing.org.
So my buddy and I bought an amazing new wakeboarding boat last summer, and the funniest part about it is that neither one of us knew how to wakeboard. But we've had an amazing time learning, mostly at the expense of our egos. The great thing is we have friends who are good wakeboarders, and we never have a shortage of them ready to hit the lake when we're ready to go. Some of our friends have heckled us by saying, "Oh man, I can't believe you spent all that money on a boat." But so far it's been the best investment of our lives. You can't put a price tag on pure enjoyment. My name's Josh Redstone, and I discovered boating.
Visit discoverboating.com and get your free Get Started in Boating DVD.
Now, more than ever, families want to get more out of their leisure time. More fun, more freedom, more flexibility, and more affordable options more often. Sound too good to be true? It's not if you have an RV. Maybe you dream of relaxing on the beach or hiking in the mountains, reeling in the catch of the day, or catching up on your favorite book away from daily distractions. Or maybe you just love to reconnect with your family and friends. In an RV, your options are endless. And with innovative new units and greater energy efficiency, RVs provide more affordable vacations than ever before. It's just a matter of picking the type of RV that fits you and your passions best. When it's time to plan your adventure, there's a wealth of great information on GoRVing.com. In addition to the RV dealer, campground, and show locators, we've provided great ideas on RV activities, a vacation cost comparison tool, and resources for new and experienced RVers, like buyer's guides, enthusiast magazines, and RV clubs. There are as many reasons to go RVing as there are places to go and roads to get there. And there's an RV for you at your local dealership right here, right now, that's more affordable than you ever imagined and perfect for all the things you love to do, even the things you haven't thought of yet. So what are you waiting for? It's time to go RVing. The road is calling, and you're gonna love what it has to say.
Because everyone's so busy in life, sometimes you need an event or some sort of a structure that brings people together.
Boating has been really great for my family since now that we have something to do and have fun, and we can all spend time together on the weekends and stuff.
As far as the family connecting, it's those times that you do stuff just together with no other distractions. I think my kids will remember that forever.
You know, I got the boat, joined the bass club, and I've made probably some of the best friends I'll ever have in my life this year.
There we go, we got a fish. Bass fishing is a challenge, and that's what I like about it.
All right. We're gonna knock them out.
You know, it just doesn't get much better than this.
Woohoo! We all go out there and have fun. It's all about having fun.
There's always next weekend.